Let's see how this one works. One universal input for instruments, it's 3.5 mm for bass or electric guitar or XLR mic. It also has one line input that can be used for a backing track or an instrument, and a 3.5 mm headphone out for monitoring. This is how you use it. You plug it, connect your instrument, choose the device as an input in your DAW, I work in Reaper, and you play. Now the mic.
1 2 88. 1 2 88. 1 1 2 1 2 88.
The sound from the mic is clear, clean, warm and really nice. Then I decided to experiment and I connected my microphone to the gain 1 and my bass to the gain 2. And that worked fine as well.
Good night, Irene. Good night, Irene. I'll see you in my dreams.
It's a plug-and-go device. You can use the software, but you don't have to. And you can record yourself really easily. You can use it for practice, to record yourself and see your progress. I assume this would be easy to use for streaming as well. No drivers, no complicated setup. Check my storefront for this one.